Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this U-part wig from Yolissa Hair. We're going to first do a little unboxing, of course, but this unit is their curly U-part, and it is 24 inches, 180% density, and this unit is definitely one of my favorite curly U-parts that I have had. It looks so beautiful. Of course, you guys will see it throughout the video, but the texture was just spot on. I was a little bit nervous that it wouldn't blend so well because, of course, this is a curly unit and my hair is straight, but it worked out perfectly. So definitely go ahead and check out my description box below. I will have the links listed, as well as if you just want to check out Yolissa Hair, definitely check them out. But let's just go ahead and get into this install. I did just leave minimal hair out because, of course, like I just said, my hair is straight. So I didn't want to leave too much hair. Of course, it would make it harder to blend. But this unit, it has the little clamp clips that are super easy to use, and it makes the hair a lot more sturdier. So yeah, that is a good thing. I love those clips on my U-parts, just so you know the U-part stays more in place since it's not a full wig, you know. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. But just the basic standard, you know, just put the wig on. Like I said, this unit is so pretty, guys, like you're gonna see. But we're getting ready to get into another clip. I thought I was recording the rest of the video where I blended my hair, but unfortunately I did not. So we have this clip. I had to record this twice because I lost the footage on the other one, but it's okay. So since I had to do it again, I decided to do a side part, which I personally thought looked even better. So again, just minimal hair out, but the side part looked great. So once again, same thing. I just parted my hair on the side this time, and then minimal leave out so that we're able to blend. But there's not really much else to explain to you guys. The hair that you see in these clips, this is after I had worn it a couple days. So this is what the hair looked like after a few days. Still really good. No, you know, like shedding, tangling, anything like that. But I didn't even shampoo this hair. So I'm going to shampoo it, though, in a few days here because I really did like this unit. I'm going to keep wearing it. It's been really hot, so just to avoid the humidity, I think I'm going to keep wearing this one. But again, definitely check them out. I really would recommend this one in this length and this density because this is definitely a winner. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.